The video camera.
You want to see the video camera? Say hi to the video camera.
Hi to the video camera. I want to tell you about...
Tell me about your ponies.
The ponies. Says about them.
There's a lot of them?
Uh-huh.
Do you like your ponies?
Yeah.
What about your clippies?
The clippies right here. Right here.
They're all over, huh?
These ones are over too.
Those ones are all over too?
These ones too.
Yeah.
Those clippers too.
Oh, those are beautiful clippies.
And they're sleeping on the couch.
And Daddy is sleeping on the couch?
He was sleeping.
He's sleeping?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm bringing here and bringing. He wake up.
He's gonna wake up?
And look at it. It's full of money.
It's full of monies.
What
is it?
Piggy.
It's not a piggy.
It's a purse.
It is a purse.
It has eyes.
It does have eyes.
A crown.
A crown?
A mouth.
A mouth. That's a beak.
It's a beak.
Beak.
A beak.
Good job.
The body back is this one.
Yep, you have a chick and Malia has a bunny.
Mine's full of money and mine got two of them.
Malia's is full of money and you have two of them?
I full of them too.
Oh, I see.
My lemon is too yucky.
Your lemonade is yucky?
Her lemon is all gone.
Yep, all gone.
Your lemon is gone.
My lemonade is all gone?
And your lemon is all weak at the ice store.
My lemonade is at the ice cream store.
No, it's at the lemonade store.
It's at the lemonade store? I see.
I need to get this for you and I got drive.
You're gonna drive?
And go get it.
And you're gonna go get it for me?
And go get it for Mama.
You're gonna get some for Mama?
And for Dad too.
And some for Daddy too. That's very nice.
And for Mommy too.
And for Malia too?
For me too.
And for you too? Who else needs some?
Apple juice.
You need some apple juice too?
Apple juice always. Oh, I gotta take these out.